welcome back to the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add trusted connections on Roblox. Right. So first thing you have to do is open up your Roblox app, or if you're using the web, search for Roblox and open up the Roblox app. So after doing that, you click on your profile, which is here. If you're using your mobile, click on it and you can see this right here. Click on that, and this is the RQ code the person you want to actually have a connection with you. You're going to send this RQ code to the person to scan, and in order to do that, you must make sure you have been verified and the person also has been verified. Or maybe you can actually send the RQ code to the person. You can just share your profile link, which is here, send it to the person, and once the person click on it, it's going to bring the person back, and the person will be able to scan the RQ code, and you're going to ensure you had a very trusted connection on Roblox. Right, very easy to do. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. It's my next video. Bye.